SmartWay's body fat scale goes beyond your typical scale, providing you with vital information to help you stay in the best shape of your life. It is the ultimate solution in weight loss and fitness that will keep you and your family at optimal health levels. This scale is fitness-inspired with a unique hourglass shape meant to motivate you to stay in shape. Step-on technology will trigger the scale and immediately provide you with the status of your body fat, body water, muscle mass, and bone mass, giving you a much clearer picture of your fitness levels. It utilizes BIA technology to provide all user information and details. This scale also features a large negative LCD display and can be programmed to recognize up to 8 users. We've designed this scale to last you for years, with a slim and sturdy body that's effortlessly sleek, adding to its contemporary look. It's time to transform your fitness journey and stay in tip-top shape with SmartWay's body fat scale.
The Yunmai Premium Bluetooth Smart Scale is more than just a weight scale, it's a revolutionary body composition monitor. Yunmai helps you plan, track, and achieve your goals by precisely measuring 10 body stats, including your body mass index, lean mass, body fat, and more. With built-in Bluetooth 4.0, the scale automatically and seamlessly connects with the Yunmai app. It only takes 5 seconds to set up, 1 second to connect, and no time at all to transfer data. Each Yunmai app can recognize up to 16 family members using iOS or Android devices, and the free Yunmai app can sync your data with other popular apps like Fitbit, Apple Health, and Google Fit. With its sleek, compact design, large backlit display, ITO glass, white and blue color options, precise measuring technology, and ease of use, it's no wonder more than 2 million people have chosen Yunmai for their long-term weight loss success.
Finally, a Bluetooth scale that does more than tell your body weight. Introducing the Renpho Bluetooth Digital Scale Model ES-CS20M. Through our integrated software, you can download the Renpho Fitness app through your app store to pair seamlessly via Bluetooth. Our bright 3.5-inch LED display shows your weight, while the Renpho Fitness app shows you much more. Once paired to your smart device, you'll be able to set goals, track your progress, view your BMI, water weight, body fat percentage, bone mass, and much more. You can also create unlimited profiles for you and your family. With our 1-year warranty and top-notch customer service, you can rest assured that you've made the right choice in purchasing Renpho.